Greetings, I'm Gibson with Games and Toys and Stuff, and I have a box! Alright, so this is my new camera! Woo! Been waiting for this for the past couple weeks, so let's open it up, see what's inside. Alright, so far, opens real easy. No tape or anything. Got, saying here, we're happy to have sent this to you. Great. Looks like some discs, user manual, the warranty, yeah, all that usual stuff. Now for the goodies. Alright, so how best to get all of this out? Let's start with this. Looks like this is the lens guard. And this is the XLR code and the microphone. The power cable. RGB and a USB cable. An HDMI to mini HDMI cable. Power adapter. A USB extension cable for some reason. The windshield for the microphone. The remote. That's going to come in very handy. Alright, now for the big components. Firstly, the XLR unit. So this fits on top of the camera, holds the mic, and it's got a bunch of audio settings and the XLR inputs. Very cool. And I guess finally, the big piece, the camera itself. See if I can get this out without dropping it, haha. Alright, and it is a success. Cool. Unboxing complete. Alright, so this will probably be my last video recording with the webcam. The camera is assembled. I've got some practice time with it, and I'm very happy with the results. So pretty much everything is going to be recorded with this camera now. It shoots 1080p, 60 frames per second. It's got a viewfinder here. Ta-da! And it can also rotate around, of course, when I need to do some filming of moi. And it's got everything auto. So this is one of the main reasons I got it. I wanted a entry-level professional camera that can do most of the options on its own. Because really I don't have a whole lot of experience with professional grade cameras. So I wanted it to take care of all the heavy lifting for me. And what I found so far, it looks really good. So every video out now should be excellent. Now one more thing I want to show on video here before we wrap it up. I don't know if you can see it, but the inside of the camera is gimbaled. So you should be able to see the iris moving around in there. So you can see it will keep all the action nice and steady, which I'm really looking forward to, since there's no way I was going to put on some kind of like gimbal rig for Steadicam. Boom, closed. All right, so I have no doubt the next videos you see using the cam are going to be way better than this pull report webcam, which actually isn't a bad webcam. It still shoots 1080p, but I think it goes 30 frames per second, and hey, it's a $100 webcam, so you can only get so good with it. Alrighty, and this is it. This is the camera quality. Hello! And the audio quality is different, because now we're going off XLR, so a very simple demonstration, but stay tuned and we'll definitely see some more content coming out filmed with this cam. So, until next time, take care everybody. Bye-bye-bye-bye! Thanks for watching, and let me know what you thought in the comments.